Hi teacher, in this occasion I'm going to do an English presentation giving prices and using those that demonstrative pronouns. How much is that item? Good afternoon. I've recommended this store to me. Seller say, welcome. What do you want to buy? I want to buy several clothes, but I am interested in those shoes. They are beautiful. Which? Those who are on the box. How much does it cost? $99. I am going to buy a pair of pants and shirt. I like the red one and the brown pants. You choose from the best we have. The pant costs $67 and the shirt costs $89. Why is the shirt so expensive? It is of excellent quality. Okay, I like that shirt. I have no money. I am going to buy that hat. Are you going to pay in cash or by credit card? Credit card. Thank you for your shopping at the best clothing store in town. Bye.